message from the emergency alert system.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Northampton County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Hertford County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Gates County in northeastern North Carolina, the city of Franklin in southeastern Virginia, southwestern Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia, Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, the southwestern city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia, east central Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Como, or 8 miles northeast of Murfreesboro, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Newsoms around 4:50 p.m. Franklin around 4:55 p.m. Portland and Hunterdale around 5 p.m. Sedley and Carsville around 5:05 p.m. Zumay around 5:20 p.m. Piper around 5:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Vicksville, Chewan Beach, Topsy, Mapleton, Dort, Dory, Sunbeam, Lee's Mill, Martinsville, and Riverdale. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern North Carolina and southeastern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for northeastern North Carolina.
This message from the emergency